Trying the new Chick-fil-A chicken and waffles. Oh, I got a regular filet and I also got a grilled chicken one, so let's try the regular one first. I know it's kind of hard to see, but holy crap. Gonna drizzle some syrup. Oh yeah. It's like rubbing oil on a naked body, for real. Anyways, first bite. Next, we have the grilled chicken one. That's syrup close up. Oh, yeah. My hands are getting sticky. This is not good, bro. Piece of bacon. Hold on, I low-key look good in this lighting, bro. Sheesh. Last bite. For my final review, it's pretty good, but it's nothing crazy, honestly. And I feel like it's a bit too expensive for my liking. It was like 11 bucks a sandwich. I feel like if it was around the $8 mark, $7 to $8 mark, it'd be pretty good. But yeah, that's just me. It's solid, but nothing crazy.